August 1986. Skyros, Chorafa, Agia Anna. Heat, sun, and dust. On the plot of Emanuel Balasos, 1,200 meters from the junction with the road leading to Molos, piles of rubble, heavy machinery, workers, and an archaeologist. For the past 3 years, as new buildings have gone up in the area, scattered tombs from the geometric and archaic periods have come to light. That is why the presence of the Archaeological Service is indispensable. No 2 days at the excavation are ever the same. You never know what secrets hidden in the earth might come to light. And yet, there are patterns. You wake up before dawn, you work in the heat and dust, you are disappointed when you find nothing. You get excited when you do find something. In a systematic excavation also happens in a rescue excavation, like this one. The only difference being that everything must happen much faster than usual. So, what is a rescue excavation? It is a rapid excavation process concerning material remains of the past which are revealed accidentally by modern human activity. These remains are recorded, documented, and either removed or preserved and displayed in place, while in some cases they may even become visitable. Today, a rescue excavation starts on a plot in Agia Anna, in Chorafa of Skyros. For 3 years now, private construction works in the area have been exposing scattered ancient tombs. Stop! There's something here! A tomb, and next to it sherds, that is, fragments of pottery.
A tomb, huh?
Yes, of course. Wait for me to take some photos, and then you can start collecting the sherds. As we said, each day is different. That's why it is very important to record everything in the excavation diary. What else could this place be hiding? When time pressure combines with a shortage of workers, things get very hard. Good morning, but where is Apostolou?
Good morning, Mrs. Efi. He won't be coming today.
Nevertheless, the work must get done. And that's what we do, archaeologists and excavation workers together. Of course, the hardest work is done by the workers. Today, one worker alone is struggling with soil and time. Yanni, are you all right?
The soil is no longer sandy. It's become very hard.
Why don't you take a break?
No, Mrs. Efi, I'll keep going.
Time to pause for a break. I wonder, what else does this place hide? The tomb is now clearly visible. The slab covering it is broken into many pieces. Although the tomb is not intact, the grave offerings have been preserved, indicating that the occupant was a woman.
Look, Mrs. Efi.
A gold hair clasp.
What's that?
A piece of jewelry for the hair. Vases, a broken gilded earring, clasps. Her relatives cared for their beloved dead, placing in the tomb alongside her everything she would need in the afterlife. All these grave goods, as they are called, are recorded, photographed, and sent to the Museum of Skyros for safekeeping. The excavation is interesting so far. Who knows what else it will reveal? Today, nothing special is happening. Except that, again, I have only one worker. A break is welcome in this heat. Your daughter, is she starting school?
Of course, in just a few days.
Which grade is she in?
5th grade this year.
But time is pressing. We must continue. There may be more finds in the area. The uncovering of the tomb is almost complete. The soil is being removed from its interior. The soil is carefully sifted to find even the smallest object that may be hidden within. Tomorrow we will finish cleaning the tomb, then photograph it. Will you both be coming tomorrow?
Yes, yes.
Great. We don't have any more time to spare. An initial rough sketch must also be made. Last day of the rescue excavation at Chorafa. I wonder, will we find anything else? To complete the research, we dig more trenches around the foundations of the building under construction. The first trench shows no archaeological interest. Nothing?
Nothing.
But in the second trench, we discover yet another tomb. We clean and photograph it. Then, we remove the covering slab. It is full of vases. One of them is a rare find. Look at this, a bell-shaped vessel.
Inside, it had 2 bronze legs from the knee down.
Look, another one.
Here's another one just like it.
Careful. In the end, Chorafa was hiding more secrets. The fieldwork is finished. Next comes the study of the finds, their publication, and of course, their exhibition in the Museum of Skyros. And if you wonder what those bell-shaped vessels remind you of, let's take a journey in time to 2004. Phevos and Athena. The mascots of the Athens Olympic Games were inspired by this very special type of anthropomorphic vase. The rescue excavations at Chorafa completed the picture we have of Skyros in the geometric and archaic periods. But everything starts here, with a diary. The soul of the excavation. The starting point for the study of an archaeological site. One of the many records, diaries, notes, photographs, kept at the Directorate for the Curation of the National Archive of Monuments.